You search for how to buy shares of Jbdi Holdings Ltd. So here is a concise step-by-step on the company and the process. Jbdi Holdings Ltd. is a publicly listed company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker JBDI. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy JBDI, you will need a broker account, and I will use eToro as the example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker JBDI to locate the correct listing. Make sure you choose the Jbdi Holdings Ltd. entry listed on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm the page shows Jbdi Holdings Ltd. on NASDAQ before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you wish to buy, review the details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be pending until the next session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the purchase. Your Jbdi position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to follow these steps, the eToro link is in the description.